Welcome to Quiz Vault. This is not a normal quiz. This is an IQ test challenge. Only 1% people can solve all questions. Are you one of them? Let's begin. Look carefully. What comes next? Time is ticking. Did you get it? The correct answer is 30. Find the missing number. Don't blink. 80. Think fast. What number should replace the question mark? Easy or tricky? The answer is 81. Which one is different? All look the same, but one is not. Focus closely. Time's up. Can you solve this? Most people get this wrong. What's your answer? The correct answer is 16. Find the next number. Did you see the pattern? Answer is 25. Look again. Time is over. Answer is 112. Spot the odd one. They all look identical. Did you find it? Find the difference. Both look same. Did you find it? Here it is. Find the missing number. Did you catch it? Answer is 23. Next challenge. Simple but tricky. Your answer, it's 2. Focus. What comes next? Famous sequence. Answer is 21. Can you solve this? Order matters. Did you follow Bodma's? Answer is 18. Find the odd emoji. They look the same, but one is slightly different. Time's up. Logic test. If today is Monday, what day will it be after 10 days? Think carefully. Answer is Thursday. Next one. Look at the pattern. Got it. Answer is 18. Quick math. Easy one. Answer is 40. Think deeply. What comes next? Answer is 13. Find the missing number. Countdown pattern. Answer is a 60. If you take 2 apples from 3, how many do you have? Think carefully. Answer is 2. Look carefully. What comes next? Time is running. Got it. The answer is 96. Find the missing number. Double pattern again. Answer is 144. Can you solve this? Order matters. Did you follow correctly? The answer is 25. Think fast. What comes next? Look at the pattern. Answer is a 66. Find the odd one. They look identical. Did you spot it? Here it is. Brain teaser. If a plane crashes between 2 countries, where do you bury survivors? Think carefully. The answer is, you don't bury survivors. Next challenge. Look closely. Time's up. Answer is 26. Focus. What comes next? Cube's pattern. Answer is 125. Quick math. 40% of 80 equals? Easy one. Answer is 32. Look again. Multiplying pattern. Answer is 360. Find the missing number. Simple pattern. Answer is 25. Think deeply. What comes next? Look at the difference. Answer is 22. Can you solve this? Follow the rules. Answer is 14. Spot the difference. Everything looks same. Did you catch it? Tiger is missing. Logic test. If all cats are animals and some animals are black, are all cats black? Answer is no. Find the next number. Look closely. Answer is 36. Quick challenge. 30% of 150. Don't overthink. Answer is 45. Look carefully. Pattern mixed. Answer is 49. Brain teaser. What has keys but can't open locks? Think fast. Answer is a piano. Find the missing number. Answer is 196. Next one. Simple addition. Answer is 40. Think fast. What comes next? Multiply pattern. Answer is 405. Can you solve this? Easy if you focus. Answer is 12. Find the odd one. Did you find it? Look at this. Logic time. If you drop a red stone in blue sea, what will it become? Think simple. Answer is wet. Look again. Pattern is clear. Answer is 55. Quick math. 25% of 400. Easy. Answer is 100. Find the missing number. Prime numbers. Answer is 29. What gets wetter the more it dries? Think carefully. Answer is a towel. Last challenge. Look at the pattern. Answer is 21. How many did you get correct? Comment your score below and challenge your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more brain test.